Hello everyone, I am Kunal. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Lenses. This video is on how to make awesome intro videos for your YouTube channel using your Android smartphone. For this, first of all open Google Play Store and search Intro Template. Click on the first result and install this app named as Video Intro with Music and Effects. Direct link of this app is given in the description, so do check out the description if you are having trouble finding this app. Once the app gets installed, click Open. On the next screen, click on the settings icon given on the top right corner and select the options as per your requirement. Here I am selecting Full HD and Pro Quality option. Once you have done all that, press the back button. Now click Create a New Video button. On the next screen, select your channel icon or logo and then click Tick button. Then enter your channel name. Our channel name is Tech Lenses, so we'll enter it here. After that, click Continue. On the next screen, select your desired animation of your like. You can also reduce or maximize the video duration. You can add filters. You can apply different resolution. You can customize fonts. You can change palette. You can also change the intro music of your want. Once you have selected your desired text animation, click the export button given on the top right corner. On the next screen, you will have the option to share the intro video link, send the intro video file, or you can just save the intro video without sharing. You will click the third option. Now wait for the rendering process. Once the video gets rendered, you can preview it by clicking on the thumbnail. If you have anything to ask related to this video, please drop a comment in the comment section. Also, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. This is Kunal signing off. Thanks for watching.